Once I ran to you, now I run from you. This tainted love you're giving, I give you all the more I can give you. Take my tears and that's not nearly all. Tainted love, oh, tainted love. Originally released by Gloria Jones in 1965, this became a huge international hit in 1981 when Mark Ammon's Soft Cell released a synth-pop version of it just at the right time. Heavily sampled in 2006 by Rihanna for SOS, which became a huge hit again, and covered in 2010 again by Imelda May, who did a fantastic rockabilly version of it. I'm talking, of course, about the timeless Tainted Love. It's as simple or as complicated as you want it to be. At its simplest, it just goes around 4 chords in a circle. Those 4 chords are A, C, F, and D. So in the verse, the chords rotate quite quickly. It goes A, C, F, C, D. And that's pretty much the timing of it. It goes... Now in the chorus, the rotation is much slower. So it goes like this. So you may notice that I'm doing quite a lot of right hand palm muting there. Just barely on the very end of the bass strings, just here. Try and leave the treble strings open so they can ring a bit. So it goes... Now that run I did from the D downwards goes straight D, so with the bass on the 4th string. I usually finger D this way. But you can do it, this way, whatever suits you. But when I'm doing the D like that, I need to take my ring finger off, which turns it into a D sus2, which is just fine. You put that ring finger on the 3rd fret on the A string, do 2 more chugs, then take that ring finger off, put your 1st finger on the 2nd fret on the A string, 2 more chugs, then move that finger down to the 1st fret, and you're back into the faster rotation of the verse. So I just play the chorus again for you. And there you go. That's how you play Tainted Love. I hope this video was helpful to you. I hope you enjoyed giving it a go on guitar. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like below. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Check out some more of my videos up there, or my latest video right over my head. I'm Niall. Thanks a million for watching. See you soon. Learn a tune a week and build up your chops.